So good morning friend. Today we are going to draw a lab exercise 16 surface development in week number 12. Week number 12 we are going to do the surface development lab exercise 16 question 1 and 2. We'll see this. Now this is a lab exercise 16 question 1 and 2. Actually there are two types. I will just very fast I will explain the theory. There are two types. One, cone, cylinder. Cone means look like front view like this, and cylinder will look like a rectangle like this. Okay, so this is a cone and cylinder, and there is another cone. Now there are again one type. This is called truncated cone. Means the cone is cut horizontal, vertical, or any direction it is cut. Then we need to develop the surface. So this is called truncated cone, and same there is again truncated cylinder. And here if you develop the surface you will get like this curved surface. And there is another type, pyramid, and another type is related with cylinder, prism, like hexagonal prism, uh, pentagonal prism, heptagonal prism. So there are triangular prism, there are different types of prisms. Pyramid means hexagonal pyramid, and truncated cone. So here you will get profile like edge, straight line like this, and here it is a curve. So this is the basic knowledge we should have, and here we'll see the diagram A and B, cone, truncated cone. This is cylinder, truncated cylinder. And question number 2, again this is a hexagonal pyramid, pentagonal pyramid, and this is a prism. C and D is prism, pentagonal prism, hexagonal prism. So these four types, and this is the example for your study for the exam. You can try this. These are different truncated cones and cylinders, pyramid and prism. So these are basics. So I will explain this prism, and then I will include in that if it is cut. So this I will include as a one lab exercise, and this is also as a one lab exercise. So this is first step and this is second step. So if this question is asked, then you have to draw this first and then proceed to here. So this learning A and B is included, sorry, A and C is included in B and D. So first I will start in this video B, and next video D. Okay, and then next video any one of this, B or A. So I will choose A, and then I will choose D. Okay, so we'll make a 4 videos or 4, and this is a basic video, and advanced drawing will be here. You need to practice. Okay, so let us start B. So what is given here? The radius of the diameter of the circle is given as 6.6. If this is a cone, cone, that is a joker cap. Yeah, how this cap is manufactured, how much paper is required for that, we'll learn from this. Okay, so this diameter is 6, and it is cut from horizontal, and with the small diameter I can find it later on. Okay, so by using AutoCAD I can find it. So let us start. As usual, select the template, a CAD ISO A3 name plot style. Yeah, this is a title block. Double click here and change owner. Owner is your ID 4200007. Then date, today's date, you can draw it, and title you can put it LE hash lab exercise 16 question 1 drawing number B. Surface development you can write. Now go back to model as usual. Select grade on, ortho on off as required. Object to snap. Without this you can't do AutoCAD. Object snap. Select all. OK style. Annotation. Dimension style. Modify. Now see the dimensions, whether it is in millimeter or inch. So this is 6.6, 8.3. So maybe it is very small, but it doesn't matter. So I can consider this as millimeter. and we can zoom it, no problem. So go to the lines and make it here one zeros, because here I need to do some formula and I need to calculate some values that I will tell you. That's why I selected two precision. Here it is one. So I will consider one more precision. No problem. Two precision, and for angle also two precision. Okay. This is important, and click close. Now as usual I told you line types. It is there other. Maybe it is required or not. Okay. Close. Now first I will draw the x-axis. Maybe 10 is too small. So 10 or 20. See the drawing. It is 6.6. So I will make it 10. 20. Okay, escape. It is very small and I will zoom it now. Okay, I will go near and zoom it. So this is x-axis and I will make a vertical line also from the center because we needed this. We need to draw this as it is. So make this on the center. See, this is not on the center line. So I will make it center. So there will be a single point at the origin. Now the circle diameter is 6.6. So on the top view, I will make a center line somewhere here or anywhere, no problem, up or down, no problem. Circle with a diameter, select here and try to see. Some student will make mistake here. This is midpoint. No, I want intersection. I want intersection, see. Or that's why I always told you make it on the line. Yes, then it will be correct. So this small mistake will become big later on. So take care of these things. Select here diameter, click it here and 6.6, enter. Okay, so this is 6.6. Now I will change the color line. So quick change the color line and draw the projection line. If you are looking from top, draw from here. Yes, enter, enter. Center line is already there. This line and now this. Enter here. Okay, so I can start from any line from here, here, anywhere like this. And now this line I will offset how much this line, this is the line I draw. Now I will offset 14.1, 5.8 plus 8.3, 14.1. Select this, click on offset, 14.1, enter, down. So this line will be a pi line, and this I need to extend, trim, extend. Yeah, it is very short. I will do like this, and this center line I will make it little outside. Okay, this line now I will draw the slant side. Now change the color of the line by layer and draw the line from this point to here. Make a ortho of, and I can join here. Enter, enter. This is very simple. Draw as it is. Now I can keep this line or I can delete it. Doesn't matter. I can keep up to here. That looks good. So this is a cone now. I will do the center line later on. So this cone looks like this now. Now I want to make this cone, so I need to make surface development. So if I open this and measure this align length, because we don't know this, so this is 14.48. So that's why I choose 2 decimal. Understand? Precision 2. So line, I will click here line and I will draw any angle. How much length? 14.48, enter. Any length. Now another line I need to draw. Another line I need to draw from here if I develop. Yes. So what is this angle? This angle I need to calculate by using the formula. This formula is given by theta is equal to 360, means Kullu circle, but it is some part, and this is R by L, R by L, where L is the slant length, where L is the slant length, inclined length, this length. So measure this length, and this length is L, and this is R. How much R? 3.3. And how much slant length? 14.48. So I will calculate the angle theta is equal to 82.044. So draw a horizontal line from here to here, make a ortho on, and this is 14.48. Enter. Escape. Now I will draw the another angle from here, or from here better. Why? Because it is at AutoCAD wants anti-clockwise direction. So here I know this angle. I don't know this angle. Okay. So I know this angle. So I will draw here. How much length? 14.48 tab 82.004. Enter. This is the angle. If you measure the angle, and it should show same like this angle from here to here, see 82.00. Fourth is gone now. 3 precision we need, no problem. Okay, then draw the arc. Draw the arc, 3-point arc, or with a radius. Start, end, and center. Start, center, end. I will use this for start, center, and end. So select here, start, center, and end. Escape. Okay, so this is an arc. I draw it. Now very important step. Now I will delete this dimensions. Okay, now we need to divide this. We need to divide this circle in minimum 8 parts, 12 parts, or minimum 8 parts. Already it is 4 parts. So if I make it 8, it's not look good. So always circle. If it is circle, divide in equal parts. Okay. So I will consider 12 parts. So here you can give the command divide, divide. So enter, or select this divide. Divide, select object to divide. So I need to divide this circle. Then divide the enter of segments. How much? 12. Enter. Select this line. Oh, it is divided. How I can see? So we need to change the font size. I divided this circle in 12 parts, but how I can see? So I need to change the point style, and there is a command. Write down this command, very important. The command is ptype, type, ptype. This is very important command. Type here, ptype, ptype, and then I will select this or this or this, whatever you want, and select here size 0.2. Yes, it's look good. Okay, so this same again you have to repeat here. Okay, you have to repeat here, and draw a divide this part. Divide commands are very important. Note down these two commands, you will forget. Divide, divide, enter. Select the object, this object. How many parts? 12. Same parts you can divide. Now I need to draw the projection line. Change the color yellow and draw the line from each point. So here it will come like this. Enter, enter. You need to number this, and same here you need to draw the projection line from 1 to 2 again, or array is also good option, but we don't have the round figure. So this is the construction lines. Now this is the development of simple cone. Okay, so I will give till I didn't give, so I will write here text. I will make the size small, single line text, and here justify the point number here style, I will make it 0.2 height. Angle is 0. So we'll see here now. 1. Enter. Escape. This is good number now. I will make it bilayer. Yes. And what I will do, I will copy this at each point and edit. Select, copy selection from this point, and I will paste it here, here. Also, I will paste it again. And then I will paste it here also. And again, here will be double from inside. There are two lines here, and this is single line. Escape. See, I think you understand. So now what I will do, I will change the color line by layer, and I will draw the line from each point, from here to here, then again here. This is there. Escape. Again, enter. From this point up to here and here. Enter. So these yellow lines are disturbing. I will delete it. Delete. Yeah. So again, if you see from top, you need to join this all points. So here you can make the array. Escape. So here select this line and you can make the array, polar array. Go to array, polar array. Select this object, enter. Center of the array is this, and how many you want? 12. The angle will be calculated automatically. Yes, see all the angles, and then you can close this array. Okay. So here also you can use, but this angle should be perfect one. So this is a surface development for cone. Now this is question number A. I did it. Okay. Now we need to go for question number. So I will not this delay. We need two commands: divide, divid, divide, and p type. Very important command to see point style. Okay. So now I will shift to the problem B. So to draw the problem B, we need to do this as it's by default. You need to do that. Okay. So now there is a horizontal. I will cut this cone at a length of 5.8. So I will draw this hole and we will develop the surface how it will be. Okay. Now this line, before I deleted it, I will make it again. So select this line, offset 5.8, 5.8, enter, down. Now you can delete this line, and this line I will make it. If I cut from this line, then it will become a truncated cone, and this line will start from here, and this will be end, and this cone is this part truncated. Now this is a cone. Now I will make it truncated. Trim. Escape. This is called truncated cone. Okay, and this is a center line here. So I want to develop the surface for that. How I can develop. Now I will come back to here. 1, 2, 3. So I will give the numbering. I will change this. So here I will start from double click and write here 2. Enter. Then double click here 3. Enter. Then I will change all this 4, 5. Then I will take it little here. Yes, it's look good. The same number also. If I see from here, 1 is alone. Then this is 2. 2. Enter. This is 3. Enter. Double enter. Here is 12. Okay. So these two lines are there. Already two lines are there. And these two lines I mentioned here. 3. Little down. 4. Little up. 12. Little layer. 9, 5, 8. Okay. So same way here also I will start from 1, double click, 2, enter, enter, 3, enter, enter, and again last is 1. Now this is labeled, everything is labeled. Now this is very important. Now here we need to draw the surface development. So what we have to do, you have to measure each distance and plot here. Okay, so very important, we have to measure this distance for one line here and here. Okay, then this distance for second line, so I can make it here 0, right, copy and paste here. So double click on that, it will be a 0. Okay, so 0 is somewhere here. Okay, so this is copy and paste somewhere here 0. Okay, now I can measure from this point or I can measure from this, doesn't matter. If I cut this with this distance, so from where I cut it, I will redraw this line again. So I will extend this line. This line, I will join it up to here. Now I can extend. Just click on extend this line. See, I got the intersection. Class. No need. Okay. So same cone is there. So it is very easy. I can measure this slant edge. So this I will make it. Yes. So I will measure this slant edge from this. So I will break this light. I come on break at this point. This line at this point. See now this line. I will measure this line, and again this is a cone. Same here. Okay. So I will make this line here. So what is measure the distance, align dimensions for this line from here to here, and this is 5.98. Draw the circle from this center with a radius 5.95. Enter and close. Okay, so this you got the points. So I will make a point, draw a point. This is a point, and just click here, 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 click here. Yes, escape and delete this, or you can trim this. It is same like and trim this. So this is surface development, and this is your surface development for truncated cone. Okay. Now I will do it control shade. Okay, control shade, and what I will do, delete this, and I will delete this, and I will make a third problem. Select all, right click, copy selection from this point, and I will paste it here. Ortho on or keep it anywhere. This escape. Okay, so this is problem number. Okay, now I can draw the arc starting from this and start from this and end here, radius this. So I will trim it, trim. Yes, this is my surface development for this line. I will delete it. Yes, okay, and this is a center line. I will give the dimension, and this will complete this line, and this line is a center line. Right click, property, and here I will make it center line. Scale, check 5. Is look good, I think so. Or right click, property, and make it 2. Yes, good. Oh, there are 2 lines or many lines. Yes, there is a one more line here, I think, repeating. Yes, There are many lines. I will delete that. Yes, this line is their pattern. That's why it was showing solid line. Yes, this is center line and this is also center line, but it is not showing. Why? Because there is another line. So this is true, correct. Now this is surface development. Now another, if it is, I will delete this. Now, okay, I will make another problem here. Is this problem is there? Like this cylinder is cut inclined. Here it is horizontal. If I cut this cylinder, if I cut this cone with some angle like this, then develop the projection. I will explain. Okay, so I will delete all these points as I need to draw. The same problem. I will project this all lines, extend this line to a single point. So I will take more is 0 here. This is 0 here. Escape little far away. So this is our original drawing. This diagram is this cone I cut like this. Now I will cut with another problem. So I have the line here, okay, and it is asked to you, it is given to you a truncated cone like this. From this point, it is cut like this at an angle. Say at an angle, suppose 60, 40. Okay, then how you will draw this? Suppose 40, good. Okay, I will write 40, any length, suppose 15, tab, and 40 or 45, enter. Or sometimes this distance is given linear from here to here it is given 5.8, and from here to here it is given, yeah, like this given. Okay, so this dimension style we need to change it. It is not look good. Delete. Okay, so modify dimension style. The text size is very big, so I can make line. This is 0.5, 0.5, 0.5, 0.5. I will make it half. We'll see 1, then 0.5. Text, yeah, it is very big. 1. We'll check 0.5 also, no problem. Okay, close. Now I will give the angle. Yes, check the angle now. Angle is 45. The question is created sometime like this 45, or sometimes a linear dimension will be given in exam. Here's 8.59 and here it is given to you 5.3. So draw the truncated cone. So first we need to draw the truncated cone, delete, and then trim it. Select from this line and this lines and trim. So this is without center line, and this here and this here. So this is a given drawing to you. Trim. Now in this case, what you will do? So same again, you need to measure radius and draw the circle here. So in this case, how to draw now? Okay, same, measure this length or measure from here to here, here to here, and draw the circles. Okay, so I will change the color, line type color, yellow, and then I will change the align dimension, and I will measure from this point to this point. What is distance? 8.82. So I will mark here. Okay, so draw the circle from first line and first line only. From here, how much? 8.82. Enter and draw the point. Here. Escape. And now delete the circle. Delete. Okay, and delete the dimension. Delete. Now here there are two lines, 2 and 12, 2 and 12. Okay, so here also one, again I am coming back, so it will come here also. So this circle, okay, from here to here I draw, same here also it will cut. Okay, so I will draw the point here also. Escape, delete. Now 2 and 12, 2 and 12, measure this distance, align dimension from this point to this point, 8.42. So draw the circle from 0, and what is the radius? 8.42. Enter and draw the point. This is 12 and 2. Escape, delete. Okay, then again delete this, delete. Alignment 3 and 11, 3 and 11, this to this, 7.5. Draw the circle. Better to select the precision 3 decimal places to avoid the error. So draw the circle with 7.5, enter, radius, and now what is this? This 311, 311, this point. So click draw line, point 3, sorry, 3 is here and 11 is here. Escape and delete. Okay, this delete also. Draw, delete this, 7 point is last point, 7th, and here 7th line. Measure the distance, align distance from here to here, and this is the smallest circle, here to here. I will keep it here. Circle from this, how much? 5.48, enter, and I will draw the point with a 7 line here. Escape and delete this. Okay, now I can draw the, so this is a curve now. This is a curve, not circle. So this curve is called a spline. What is this? It will come here, spline. S-P-L-I-N-E. This is spline. Okay, so this is, we need to draw a spline. So draw, and here you will find polyline. Yes, this is a spline. Spline fit. Select this. Means we are going to draw a curve through the point. So click on that. Read here. Specify the first point. I will change the color by layer. Okay. Click on spline. Draw spline fit. Okay. And click on each point. Click on each point. So the curve will be drawn from the given point, and at the end just click enter, enter twice. Escape. Okay, and now I will select this and I will trim. Yes, so this is the answer. Truncated cone with the inclined angle. Horizontal I explain here, and simple cone it is inbuilt here. Okay, so these two example in one, 3 question in one drawing. Okay, thank you very much.